As you all know, front lace, full lace, and different closure wigs are coming into more and more popularity these days. If we were normal anyway, but there's gonna definitely be some type of new normal, and we're all gonna have to figure out what that is together. So stay connected, don't let your heart get filled with hate right now. Don't try to place blame, no one really knows what's going on. Try to stay away from the news, in my opinion. There's so many different opinions out there, so much different news going on, that it's almost like the hair industry, misinformation everywhere. What's up, Hair Maiden India family? Hope everybody's doing well with all this coronavirus going on. Hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, staying healthy, but still working on your businesses and putting things together in this downtime. Once again, as I've said a lot of times, don't gotta be crazy productive, gotta have the nice balance, but it's a really good time to work on your systems, your websites, CRM, accounting, marketing, and things like that. So I wanna reach out to you guys today to talk about wigs. As you all know, wigs are a hot topic right now. Bundles and frontals and closures will almost always be your main fastest sellers in this hair business. It's been tried, true, and tested for a long time now. However, as you all know, front lace, full lace, and different closure wigs are coming into more and more popularity these days. So I want to make a quick video and show you the different kind of styles and types that we offer. For as far as texture goes, we can do pretty much any texture on our wigs except for our raw curly. Our raw curly wigs are going to be handmade, hand ventilated here in Los Angeles by stylists that we work with that I've met over the years. Those wigs are a premium product. They do start closer to $1,500. Even wholesale wise, we can't really drop the price on it too much unless you reach out directly. We make a relationship with that stylist to make a bunch of wigs for you. So let's move right into it. First of all, on my left-hand side, I have this beautiful lady right here. She is a front lace wig, 13x4, with everything inside of it. It's made, I don't know how close you can see it, but this is a natural lace texture right here. We have everything pre-plucked in the front and a nice natural wave flowing as well. So the inside construction, you can check out our other videos and our pictures online as well to see really detailed about it. But basically they all come with adjustable bands in the back, clips inside as well. We can also add an elastic band inside of this for you also. So we have front lace wigs right here. These come in 13x4 as well as 13x6. We can also do, transparent or even HD lace on these pieces for you. This is a transparent 5x5 closure. This is a HD 4x4 closure. So we can put these on the wigs for you, but it will take some extra time. So moving right along to our next lady, let me put her back real quickly so she's nice and comfortable right here. Cool. So the next thing I have is to my right-hand side over here, your left, is a full lace wig. So this piece is full lace all the way around. As you can see, it's pretty much the same construction. We do have the bands and the adjustable clips in it, and we can also put an elastic band in there for you. However you want it made, we can do it. This is a 26-inch or 24-inch piece right here with some extra added density in it as well. So you can see, even towards the ends, it doesn't get all frayed and loose looking. Still beautiful quality temple hair, all from the South as well. And then we also have, which I don't have an example of right now, we have our 4x4 closure wigs. Basically with those, we're just taking a regular closure and we're putting it in the middle right there as well. So we have full lace, front lace, as well as closure wigs available, and we also have HD and transparent. And then, as you guys know, we can do blonde colors as well. We can do brown colors, pretty much anything you want color-wise with the wigs. You're gonna have to wait a little bit extra time. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I do get into more detail with the wigs later on. We're gonna slowly start adding more and more wigs as they become more and more popular. However, once again, I'll reiterate and stand by my words that bundles, frontals, and closures for my wholesalers are gonna be the fastest moving for you, and they're the bulk of what most businesses do. Front lace wigs, full lace wigs, they'll continue to make an appearance. They'll continue to get more and more popular, especially as women and people look for easier styles, less work, and things like that. So we will have them available, we'll have them on hand, and eventually I'll get a good bit faster with them and keep more of them in stock. Once I really find out what my clientele, what my people, what you guys, you ladies want to have more in the showroom. So yeah, that's it. I don't know if I told y'all we do eyelashes now as well. Don't really get too detailed into it, to be honest. I can put your logo on it. I have about 15 or 20 different styles right now, and it's only available for my wholesalers, and I do really good pricing on them. So definitely give us a call. I think if you're buying more than 50 of them, you're looking at closer to $4 to $5 per piece. We can definitely work within the numbers for those. So once again, guys, front lace wig, full lace wig, all kind of textures, everything from a kinky curl to a nice deep wave, to the straight we have here, to the body wave we have here, are all able to be made for you. We're looking at about a 4 to 7 business day shipping time right now during the COVID outbreak. Otherwise, it's more like 2 or 3 days on average. So yeah, once again, guys, I hope you all are safe. My brain tells me that this is going to take a while, but my heart won't let go of the hope that, you know, it's going to end sooner than later. And I think with the continued efforts of all the people all around the world, all the governments, the CDC, the WHO, hopefully we can put an end to this and get back to business as we know it. A lot of people don't think the world's ever going to go back to normal, and I don't think we were normal anyway, but there's going to definitely be some type of new normal, and we're all going to have to figure out what that is together. So stay connected. Don't let your heart get filled with hate right now. Don't try to place blame. No one really knows what's going on. Try to stay away from the news, in my opinion. There's so many different opinions out there, so much different news going on, that it's almost like the hair industry. Misinformation everywhere. So follow your heart, follow your gut, stay with your families, take care of yourself, work out, eat good, live to eat, and work on your businesses. Don't stress yourself out if you don't think you're doing enough. Even in these times, a little bit goes a long way. And the biggest thing for me, the reason I've been able to come where I've at, is what I learned is continued daily success and progression. And that actually leads to happiness as well. If you can do a couple things a day, even if it's 10 or 15 minutes, you're gonna start progressing slowly. And although you might not see any kind of results right away, for me it took 3 years to see a proper result, it does come together. And I don't say that lightly. I would never try to guide anybody in business, in this business either, with something that's misspoken or not from a place of experience. I know these things are important. Your lives depend on them, your families depend on them, you eat off them as well. And this is why this is an unpopular opinion for many, but don't chase the money. Everyone thinks everyone is doing hair right now, and there's a lot more people coming into hair. I got in at an amazing time 6 years ago. Right now there's a bunch of people trying it. And don't be scared of that, guys. 80% of those people do not care, do not put their heart and soul into it. They call or pay for a random vendor list, call a couple of them up, ask them a cookie cutter set of questions, and then start selling the hair. Which I'm not knocking that, you know, it can work for you, but I would knock it at the point when it hurts your customers and your wholesalers and your business people. That's not something that'll leave a good heart for you or give you good karma or anything blessing-wise coming in the future. So yeah, guys, got a little dressed up to do a video, got one coming out to y'all soon. It's gonna be a little funny type of thing. Don't like to get too serious, try to have a good time doing this business as well. So yeah, bless, take care, and I hope to see all of you guys in here or out there very soon. Peace.